AutoCAD on the web now integrates directly with Forma Data Management Issues, creating a more connected and efficient way for teams to manage design feedback. With this integration, users can view, create, assign, and resolve issues without ever leaving their drawing environment. Instead of switching between multiple platforms or relying on disconnected email threads and markups, teams can work with a single, shared context where feedback is clearly tied to specific geometry and locations in the design. This in-context approach significantly improves clarity. When an issue is linked directly to an object or area in the drawing, there's less room for misinterpretation and fewer back-and-forth conversations to explain what needs to change. Designers can quickly understand the intent behind a comment, make updates, and resolve the issue in real time. At the same time, project managers and reviewers gain better visibility into status and progress, helping ensure accountability across the team. By centralizing issue management within AutoCAD on the web, collaboration becomes more streamlined and transparent. Teams can reduce missed feedback, shorten review cycles, and keep projects moving forward with fewer delays. Ultimately, this integration helps align stakeholders, improve communication, and support faster, more confident decision-making throughout the entire design process.